Hello and welcome to Website Speedy tutorial for Weebly speed optimization. Website Speedy is a DIY instant website speed optimization tool built to optimize your website performance without the need of a developer. Our tool works for all major platforms, and even if you have a custom website, you can still use it. Click on Get Started Free to create an account and fill in the sign-up form. Website Speedy comes up with 4 plans. You can choose one according to your website traffic. Here I am demonstrating you by selecting our forever free plan. Website Speedy checks the current speed score of your website using Google Page Speed Insights API. In the dashboard, you can see current speed of your website. Add more websites, check Help Center for instructions or book an appointment for any help required. Now let's install Website Speedy. Navigate to install Website Speedy in left sidebar. You can boost your website speed just by following these simple steps. In the first step, to get started, you need to enter URLs of 3 important pages from your website. We will use these 3 pages for reporting purposes. You can use the button on the right to check current speed. We can do this later too, as explained in FAQ section. For now, we will proceed with improving speed right away. Click on Boost Speed Now button. I'm also going to manually check the speed without our tool first, so we can match the updated speed with it afterwards. We will use Google Page Speed Insights, GT Metrics, and Pingdom. And for this, let's get back to Speedy. Now here in step 2, we can see the speed enhancement script, which is generated specifically for your website. Add this script code before closing the head tag in your website header. You can see the instruction for this specific to your platform by clicking this button in middle 2. For now, click to copy. Go to Website Dashboard, navigate to Settings, click on SEO, go to Header, add Speedy script, and save. Once you add the script, click Verify, and to proceed to Step 3, let's check the updated speed here of selected page, and let's check speed on Google Page Speed, GT Metrics of Pingdom to see the difference. And here you can compare old and new speed by adding no speedy parameter in end of URL. That's it. You've successfully used Speedy to enhance your website's speed. In sidebar, you can click on Add Site to add your another website. I would recommend you go through the FAQs on the right to understand basic details about how our tool works and how you can check old speed your not speedy tag. That's all for now. You can find installation instructions for other platforms on our channel too. Remember, a faster website means a better user experience and potentially higher search engine rankings. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more tips and guides, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates.